And with that, the ceremony comes to an end. Very, very important things have been said today by both the Indian Defence Minister, the Indian Air Force Chief, as well as the French Defence Minister. There will be some refreshments served to the dignitaries before they depart from the Ambala Air Base in just a short while. But the squadron induction ceremony, as it were, is now complete. The mementos have been exchanged. The 17th Squadron with its first Rafales is now operational. Let me go across to India Today. It's Gaurav Sawant, who's in Ambala, right there with the jets. Gaurav, extremely, in light of the situation in Ladakh especially, very important things said both by the Air Chief as well as by the Raksha Mantri.
Shiv, the aircraft are locked and loaded and ready to deliver. This is what Chief of the Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal R.K.S. Bhadauria said, and this is extremely significant. The fact that these Rafales, the 5 Rafales in Indian Air Force, are now ready for operational role. Ever since they came in on the 29th of July, they've constantly been flying. They've been flying along with the Su-30 MKIs, with the MiG-29s, with the Mirages, to be a part of various packages. Now, you know well, Shiv, that aircraft operate as part of a package for various roles, and now the Indian Air Force is ready with the Rafales. And significant aspects spoken of by Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh, where he said that these aircraft will play a very, very significant role, especially given the current situation along the line of actual control. The French Minister for Armed Forces also made it very clear that these Rafales give India a technological edge. What does that edge mean, Shiv? As you and I have been reporting, your Scalp missiles that can take down an enemy target 300 kilometers plus away, up to 500 kilometers, the Meteor beyond visual range, air-to-air missile, the Hammer missiles, all of these give this aircraft a big edge, along with the electronic warfare suite. So while the Chinese may have the J-20s, but the Rafales have capabilities which, according to the Air Force, give Indian Air Force a major edge, Shiv.
Major edge to the Indian Air Force thanks to the Rafales. Tell us a little bit, Gaurav, also about what the Air Chief was talking about. He said, this ceremony is taking place, but since these aircraft arrived, they've been, in overdrive for operationalization. They've fired weapons at India's western ranges. They've flexed their muscle. They've been flying some operational sorties as well. So these aircraft are ready. That's what the Air Chief was saying.
Shiv, a very significant message, because usually when an aircraft comes in, it takes months for induction, often up to a year for getting operationalized in India's environment, for the pilots to understand the machine, for other platforms to be able to operate with this. For example, for Rafale to operate along with the AWACS, the Airborne Command and Control System, to operate with the Su-30 MKIs, to operate with the Mirages, to operate with the MiG-29s. But the moment these aircraft came in, there was no luxury of relaxing. Right then, they started flying and integrating themselves with the fighting machine, with the war machine, to be a part of other packages. They went to Pokhran for field firing, delivered those advanced weapons. They were able to ensure that all the parameters that had to be met, they were met. The pilots have been are now au fait. The aircraft are au fait. So which means when required, and this is something that the Air Chief and the Raksha Mantri both spoke of, that the Indian Air Force was able to deploy very quickly at the very close to the line of actual control at the forward air bases. Shiv, that's a very, very big signal coming from Rajnath Singh, complimenting the Air Force about quick deployment of Indian Air Force at forward air bases. While that's complementing own Air Force, it's also sending out a big message, a strategic message to the adversary. 1962, Air Force was not used in combat operations. Right now, our aircraft not only deployed immediately, they were flying combat air patrols, they were flying various operations in the Western theatre, also in Arunachal Pradesh, sending out a very clear signal to the Chinese.
Gaurav, thanks very much. Wonderful pictures, wonderful coverage of a extremely significant event. Many people had wondered whether this ceremony was even going to take place given what's happening on the border. But that is India. the conflicts will be executed, the military will stay prepared, but the ritual inductions, the business as usual of the military will continue. We cannot allow our adversaries to hamper the things that we must do as a method of ceremony. That's the big message here. Many significant things have been said here by the Raksha Mantri, by the Indian Air Force Chief, as well as by the French Defense Minister, one of India's closest friends. These are images that you will see through the day here on India Today. Gaurav, thanks very much for that.
Raksha Mantri to present a memento.
And from Ambala now to